Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am also very fine, dears. Welcome back to Khalil Master YouTube channel. This is your Khalil Master, Maths expert. Today, our topic is trigonometric functions of complementary angles. Let's start the class. My dear students, today's our topic is complementary angles. What is, my dear? Complementary angles. First of all, we shall take the definition. What is complementary angles? If the sum of any two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. We can take some examples, my dear. Suppose if you take 30 degrees, what is the complementary angle of 30? We can say that 60 degrees, because sum of 30 and 60 makes 90 degrees. If you take 45 degrees, what will be the next angle? 45 degrees. What is the complementary angle of 89 degrees? Then you can say that 1 degree, because of 89 plus 1 is equal to 90. These two are complementary. Like this we can take the angles, my dear. Now in our topic, we have to discuss about the complementary angles of trigonometric ratios and see how we are going to find the complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. My dear, you have to take a right angle triangle first. Assume that ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. And if you take angle C as theta, as we know very well, in a triangle sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Already 90 degrees is completed. Now remaining sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. That's why if you take angle C as theta, then angle A will become 90 minus theta. This you remember. Once again I am repeating, my dear. This is 90 degrees, then it is theta. Ultimately this angle would be 90 minus theta. It is completed. Now come to the trigonometric ratios of these angles. First I am going to take sine theta. What is, dear? Sine theta. What is the ratio of sine theta? We have discussed in the part 1. If you don't know the ratios, better to see part 1, then after come to this part, my dear. Then you can understand easily. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. For this theta, opposite side. What is opposite side? AB divided by hypotenuse. As we discussed that hypotenuse is the longest side, which is opposite to 90 degrees. That is AC. Next, cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. For this adjacent side is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Then after, go for tangent theta. What is tangent theta? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? For this AB, adjacent is BC. So here you can take AB divided by BC. If not, you can have one more method, that is tan theta formula is sin by cos. Hence you have to divide these two ratios. AC gets cancelled, AB by BC. The same we get here. Come to cosec theta. Cosec theta. What is the formula of cosec theta? Hypotenuse by opposite. If not, you can take cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. These are also we discussed in part 1. Now, cosec theta, you can write it as AC by AB. Then after, sec theta. Without using the diagram also we can do, and also it satisfies for the given diagram. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos AC divided by BC. And finally you have to write cotangent theta or cot theta. This is the reciprocal of tan theta, that is BC by AB. So in this way we have taken 6 trigonometric ratios of angle theta. Now what I am doing is, this time I am going to take 90 minus theta angle. So see here, sine 90 minus theta. What is the value of sine 90 minus theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Now this time for 90 minus theta, it will be the opposite side. As we discussed earlier, depends on the angles, the sides will be changed, my dear, and that too only opposite side, adjacent side. In this only there will be some changes. Hypotenuse is always hypotenuse. Come to the point. Sine 90 minus theta opposite by hypotenuse. So you can write here BC divided by AC. Next you have to write cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. This you write here, dear. What is cos 90 minus theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC. Hope it is clear till here. Next. Tan 90 minus theta. What is tan 90 minus theta? Opposite by adjacent. So BC by AB. Better to write here BC by AB. As we have taken cosec sec cot as the reciprocals of the ratios, here too you do the same. Cosec 90 minus theta. What cosec 90 minus theta? AC divided by BC. And then sec 90 minus theta. What is sec 90 minus theta? AC by AB. And finally, we can take cot 90 minus theta. This is the reciprocal of tan. It means AB by BC. Now, we have taken trigonometric ratios of theta and also 90 minus theta. Now come to the main segment here. It is very important. Now, BC by AC. Where do we have BC by AC? Here. So, better to take this one. By this, what you observe, my dear? BC by AC, BC by AC. Both are same. So, you can write here sine of 90 minus theta as cos theta. This is one of the formula. Like this, we have to find, my dear. And one more thing I would like to suggest you here, my dear. If two ratios are equal, you cannot equate the ratios directly until and unless if these two are connected with the same triangle. Point to be noted, my dear. Here, sin 90 minus theta BC by AC, cos theta BC by AC. These two ratios are equal. That's why we are equating these two. When we have to equate, if this answer, that value, both should be the same triangle's values. If we have first triangle this and some other triangle, if we have the values, we cannot equate by seeing only ratios. Got my point? Right. Now next, AB by AC. Here we have AB by AC. And here also we have AB by AC. And these are related to the same triangle. Hence we can say that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Hope you understand, my dear. This is one of the formula. In the same way, here you see tan BC by AB here. Here BC by AB. So you can say that these two are equal. So tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta. Now we got one more formula from this. And then AC by BC. Here you observe AC by BC. And where we have, AC by BC. Now these two are same, my dear. So you can write cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Here one more formula we got. So no confusion at all. Right? Now AC by AB. These two are same, my dear. So from this you can write sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Similarly, we can write that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Like this we got all 6 trigonometric ratios. Once again I am going to repeat, my dear. Sin to cos, cos to sin, tan to cot, cot to tan, and cosec to sec, sec to cosec. Like this we get the formulas. But here one more thing you remember, my dear. Reciprocal of sin is cosec, not cos. So here reciprocals are different, complementary angles are different. So you have to understand the relation between these two and then you prepare. If you prepare only reciprocals, then you will be confused here. Most of the students, as I experienced that, most of the students will write sin 90 minus theta cosec. Not like that, my dear. Sin to cos, cos to sin. But whereas reciprocal, sin to cosec, cosec to sin. That you remember, my dear, and practice this well. And some more formulas, some more ratios we have, that we shall discuss in the next segment. Hope you understand this concept. And if you understand this concept, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And click on the bell icon to be notified for every update, my dears. And some more videos I will try to upload, my dear. Better to watch it and try to gain the knowledge. So this is your Khalil Master signing off. Thank you.